Good morning children. Today we are going to solve problems on exercise 5.1. Look at the board. 5.1 fourth question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the three more terms. Write three more terms. First we find the common difference. Fifth question. Question number 5 is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. Our first question is to find the common difference D. What is D is equal to A2 minus A1 equals 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is equal to root 2. Again, what is A3 minus A2? A3 minus A2 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2 equals 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 means 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is 1 root 2. 1 root 2 is equal to root 2. So what is D? D A2 minus, therefore A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore the given set of numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, write three more terms A1, A2, A3, A4. Next term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. Root 2 means 1 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2. Then A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. Then A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 6 root 2. Now, question number 6. Question number 6. Continuation. Question 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, etc. First, find whether it is in AP or not. For that, D is equal to A2 minus A1. 0.22 minus 0.2. What is 0.22 minus 0.2? 0.2 means 20. Subtraction 0. 2 minus 2 0. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 0.02. Then what is A3 minus A2? A3 minus A2 is 0.222 minus 0.22. 0.222 minus 0.22. 22 means 220. 2 minus 0, 2, 0, 0. Here 0.002. D is not the same. That means A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given set of numbers are not in AP. Next question, that is 8th question in exercise 5.14. Question number 8. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, etc. First we have to find D. What is D is equal to A2 minus A1 equals root 8 minus root 2. We have to convert this root 8 also in terms of root 2 for subtraction. That is root 8 is 4 into 2 minus root 2. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. So our first D is root 2. Then what is A3 minus A2? Root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 is equal to root of 9 into 2 minus root 8 is, what is root 8? Root 8 is 2 root 2. What is root of 9 into 2? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given set of numbers form an AP. Form an AP. If it is in AP, find 3 more terms. That means we have to find A1, A2, A3, A4. Next, A5. A5 is equal to root 32 plus D root 2 equals root 32 is 16 into 2 plus root 2. 16 into 2 is 4 root 2 plus root 2. So our answer is 5 root 2. But here in terms of full square root. So we again convert this 5 root 2 inside the root. Full inside the root. 5 into 2. That is equal to root 50. 5 into 5, 25 into 2. Next term is root 50. Then A6 is equal to root 50 plus root 2. Root 50 is 25 into 2 plus root 2. Root 25, 5. 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 root 2. But our numbers are in full square root. So we again convert this in full square root. The 6 goes to inside the root 2 times and 2. That is equal to square root of 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 2, 72. Then A7 is equal to root 72 plus root 2. Root 72 is 6 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 7 root 2. Inside the root, square root of 7 into 2 equals square root of 98. So the next terms are A5. A5 is equal to root 50. A6 is equal to root 72. And A7 is equal to square root of 98. Now, 13th question in your text. Question number 13. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, etc. First we find D is equal to A2 minus A1. Root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 is root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. Take root 3 common. Root 3 into root 2 minus 1 is the A2 minus A1. Then A3 minus A2. A3 is root 9 minus root 6. Root 9. What is square root of 9 is 3 minus root 6. But we have 3 is root 3 into root 3 minus root 6 is root 2 into root 3. Taking root 3 outside, root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. Is these D, 2 D's are First one 3 minus root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Here root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. So D is not the same. That means A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given set of numbers are not in AP. The given set of numbers are not in AP. Now we are going to the next section. Nth term of an AP. Listen. Nth term of an AP. Consider an AP whose first term is A and common difference D. Consider an AP whose first term is A and common difference D. What is A1? First term is equal to A. How to find A2? A2 is equal to A1 first term plus D. But first term is given A. So A plus D. Then what is A3? Third term is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is A plus D plus D. A2 plus D. A2 is A plus D. A plus D plus D is A plus 2D. So what is A4? A4 is A3 plus D. What is A3? A3 is A plus 2D. A plus 2D plus D is A plus 3D. So first term A1 is equal to A. Second term A2 is equal to A plus D. Third term A3 is equal to A plus 2D. And fourth term is equal to A plus 3D. So what is the fifth term? Fifth term is equal to A plus 4D. Here A1 is A plus 0D. A means A plus 0D. Then A2 A plus D. A3 A plus 2D. A4 fourth term is A plus 3D. A5 fifth term is A plus 4D. A10 is A plus 9D. And A25 is A plus 24D. In general, what is AN? Nth term is A plus, for 25 term we write here 24 and 10th term we write the number 9. So for nth term we write here A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, nth term of an AP is equal to be A plus N minus 1 into D. The formula for finding the nth term of an AP is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Nth term of an AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Nth term of an AP, nth term AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we are going to solve problems. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12, etc. We have to find the 10th term. Means N is equal to 10. What is the AP first term? A is equal to 2. What is D? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So first term 2. Common difference 5. And what is N? We have to find the 10th term. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Equals A10 is equal to A plus 9D. Substitute the values. What is A? 2 plus 9. into what is D? D is 5 equals 2 plus 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Listen here, multiplication, you listen the multiplication 9 into 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 9 into 5. 2 plus 9 into 5 is 45. 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. Then second question, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 etc. is minus 81? Question. Also, is any term is 0? Is any term is 0? Give a reason. Next question is, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 etc. is minus 81? We have to find which term is minus 81. For that we take an is equal to minus 81. And what is A? A is equal to AP 21, 18. So A first term 21. And what is D? D is equal to 8. Second term minus first term or third term minus second term. 18 minus 21 is equal to minus 3. Then we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Then what is an? Minus 80. We have to find n. Which term is 81 means we have to find n. For that, minus 81 is equal to a 21 plus n minus 1 into D minus 3. Minus 81 is equal to 21 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 1 into 3 plus 3. Minus 81, 21 plus 3 is 24. Goes to left side, this is minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 3n. Minus 81 minus 4 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 2. Minus 105 is equal to minus 3n. Implies n is equal to minus 105 divided by minus 3 is equal to 35 equals 35. So therefore minus 81 is the 35th term. N is equal to 35. So minus 81 is the 35th term of the AP. Which is the AP? 21, 18 etc. Then our next question is 0 is a term of this AP? For that we take an is equal to 0 and find n. An is equal to 0. Second part of our question is 0 is a term of this AP? For that we take an is equal to 0 and find n. In the same way we find n. An 0 is equal to a 21 plus n minus 1 into D. Same AP, so D is minus 3. 0 is equal to 21 minus 3n plus 3. 21 plus 3 is 24, goes to this side. Minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. So n is equal to minus 24 by minus 3. 24 by 3 is 8. Therefore 0 is the 8th term of this AP, of the given AP. 0 is the 8th term of the given AP. Next question. Determine the AP determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9 and seventh term is 9. We have to find the AP. Given third term A3 is equal to 5 and seventh term A7 is equal to 9. What is A3? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 5 A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 5. And A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 9. Subtract. Minus 4D is equal to minus 4. D is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, take this one equation 1 and this is a put D is equal to 1 in 1. A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. A plus 2 is equal to 5. A equals 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, A equals 3, D equals 1. Write the, determine the AP. What is the first term? 3. D 1. So, next term is 3 plus 1, 4. Next term 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Therefore, AP is 3, 4, 5, 7, etc. Listen once more. Given third term is 5. A3 is equal to 5. Seventh term is 9. A7 is equal to 9. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 5. Equation 1. A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 9. Subtract. A cancelled. Minus 4D is equal to minus 1. Put D is equal to minus 4 by minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Put D is equal to 1 in equation 1. A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. So, A is equal to 5 minus 2. 3. Therefore, the AP is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Then, next question. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, etc. Here we take 301 is the AN, last term of the AP, and find N. Whether N is a whole number, we can say that N, it is a term. First we find, take AN is equal to 301 and find N. What is A? A equals 5. What is D? 11 minus 5? 6. 301 is equal to A 5 plus N minus 1 into D 6. 301 is equal to 5 plus 6n minus 6. 301 is equal to 5 minus 6 minus 1 plus 6n. 301 plus 1 is equal to 6n. 302 is equal to 6n. N equals 302 divided by 6. 302 divided by 6 is equal to 151 by 3. This is a fraction. Therefore, 301 is not a term. Not a term of this AP. If it is an integer, we can say that it is a, if it is a positive integer, we can say that it is a term. Here 151 by 3 is a fraction. Therefore 301 is not a term of this AP. Homework 5.2 1, 2, 4, 5. Thank you.